Hello, hello, and welcome to our let's play of Minecraft. I'm gonna do a walkthrough how to make a TNT cannon like this. So it's not really ready. Fuck. Like this cannon, I'm gonna stand on. Oh fuck yeah. It's gonna stand on this plate and push the button. Can I see it's working really good? Now we're gonna lift up. Don't take the hit. Sometimes you hit the ground, but take a really good place to build this. Same way. Here, like it was 7 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Like that. Fuck it. Okay, like that. Okay, this like that. It's gonna see like that. Look like this, like that. Okay, now you need to like that. Okay, like that. Put it one here. But first, we need 1, 2, and 3. 3 blocks to the bedrock. Then better. Okay. Break this. Okay. If you're ready, take a water bucket. Bucket of water. Put it like that. And here and that. Oh fuck yeah. It's really fucking hard to do it in the water. Water is pulling me somewhere. Okay, put like that. I'm gonna do a circle of it. Like that. Do it because it's really important to make the water normal. Now the water is normal. Break the blocks underneath it. Okay, if you had that, put redstone like this. Here's what's. Fuck it, I hate lag. I know I have a. I can use Advanced Minecraft. I like this. Great. Looks really fucking great. Like that. Okay, it's not really ready now. I'm gonna put some redstone like that. Put a smooth sandstone, redstone, till now. Okay, now you're ready. Has to be like 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks high, like that. If you have it right, put a block apart. Put a block to the not working redstone and do it again like the same circle like this. I hate the flying. Fly. I don't know how to fly is. It's not lagging, it's like that. Yeah, it's really hard to fly like that. Now it's ready. Put some redstone everywhere, like that. redstone, 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 everywhere redstone. Okay, now you're ready to use it. Now you need to use TNT. Use the TNT. Like that. This texture pack takes off the lag. I'm watching Blackjack. It's really fucking funny. Like that. Fucking hard to use when I fly like that. Okay, now you're ready. Jump on this platform over here. I'm gonna put game mode 0. Game mode 0. Okay, press the button. Already it doesn't. Oh, now you're gonna have so much fucking. Didn't hurt a bit. Yeah, game mode 1. Sorry, failed it. Let's do it again. Fuck yeah. Fuck it out, fuck it out. Okay, now it works. Press, don't move, and wait a few seconds, and you fly like the wind. If you don't move, you can land to the water. If you don't move, no, I mean if you move, then you just jump into this platform and die in survival. Okay, thanks for watching. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. Peace out.